Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well at home and studying well, right? So, today we will do some workbook exercise. So, take out your workbook, page number 17, and take your pencil and eraser. You also start writing with me, okay? In that, first question, what is that? Read the sentence below. Write down the information about your family in the blanks. See here. There are dash family members in my house. How many family members are there in your house? That you have to write. Okay. If there are 4, 5, whichever number that you have to write. Okay. The next question is I have dash cousins. How many cousins you have? That you have to write. Okay. I have dash pets. If you have any pet at your home, then write you have pets. If you don't have, then you write no pets. Okay. We live in a dash family. If you are living in a small family, then you write small. Okay. If you are living in a large family, then you write large. Okay. Then the name of my brother or sister is. If you have a brother, then write his name, or if you have a sister, then write her name. Okay. Understood this question, everyone? Okay, we will move to the next question in the next page. That is, look at the picture and answer the following. See, in this picture, what do you see? What they are doing? Two brother sister, what they are doing? Yes, they are fighting. Yeah, fighting for a toy, right? So we will see the questions in the next page. That is, first question, what are the two siblings in the picture doing? What they are doing? A, playing with each other, fighting for a toy, sharing the toy with each other. What they are doing? Yes, they are fighting for a toy. Right? You tick in the second one. Fighting for a toy. All are doing now? Yes. The next question is, what would you have done with your friends or brother, sister? What you would have done? Fought for a toy? Or second is share the toy or stop playing with each other. What you would have done? Yes, share the toy. In this second one, share the toy. You also tick. Okay. Then move to the next question. Do you think the two siblings are doing the right thing? Are they doing the right thing? No, they are not doing the right thing. We should share the toys. Yes or no? Yes. Next question is, what do you think they should do? What do you think they should do? And that first is, they should stop talking to each other. No. They should cry. No. Then third one is, they should share the toy and play with each other. Yes, they should share the toy and play with each other. Very good. Up to here you all have done. Then we will move to the next question. That is, write the names of 5 people in your family. You have to write any 5 peoples in your family and how you are related to them. How you are related to them. Okay. Then write one thing you like to do with each of them. What do you like to do with them? Okay. That first, this name. Okay, here we have to write name and he or she is my Okay, see, I have given you the example, like you are taking your father's name. Okay, you have to write your father's name. He is my father. Okay, and I like to play, whatever you like, that you have to write. Okay, then in next one, name, you have to write your mother's name. He or she is my mother. I like to, whatever you like, that you have to write. Okay, then I have written brother sister. There you can write your brother sister's name, and she is my brother or sister. Then what you like to do with her or him. Okay, next is about your grandparents, grandfather. What is your grandfather's name? And he or she is your grandfather. Okay, I have given you the example in the bracket. Okay, if you don't want to write these names, you can write your own, like your uncles, your aunts, like that. Okay, see, the last one, here I have written, write your grandmother's name. Okay, if you don't want to write your parents or brother sister's name, you can change it into your cousin's name, your uncle aunt's name. Okay, this much understood. Now we'll move to the next question, that is, do you live in a large family or a small family? In which family you are living, that you have to write. Yes, in large family, if you are living in a large family, then write large family, or you are living in a small family, then you write small family. Okay, then last question is, write a few lines on any large family you have seen or heard about. If you have seen any large family in your cousins or your any neighborhood, then you have to write. Here I have given you one example. Okay, see, Ria is a girl who lives in a large family. She lives in a large family. She lives with her mother, father, siblings, grandparents, uncle, aunt, and cousins. They all live happily together. They celebrate different occasions and festivals together. See, here I have given the example. If you want, you can write about your neighborhood if you have seen any of them. Okay, you have to complete your work properly and study well. Okay, take care. Bye.